a company on Amazon just sent me a package, and honestly, I'm happy for it. It is a hat rack for cowboy hats in a truck. It's from UYAR, and all it does is mount right here. So, one second, let me put this up here. All it does is go around the two bars. It sits right behind either seat. Doesn't really matter. You can put it anywhere. And my hat sits right there. A little zoomed in, but yeah. Because I hate driving, and when every time you turn, oh, there goes the hat across the dashboard. Or you throw your hat on the floor. That is perfect. So like when I normally drive, I have my hat right here. Well, again, it's in the way. You have this, the reflection. And then when you turn, oh, there it goes, or there it goes. Or guess what? Passenger seat. It works. But what if you have somebody there? Well, guess what? Look back here. Now it's out of my way. And it doesn't really take up much space either. So the son can still sit where he needs to be. Won't bother him, or he can put his hat there. That works wonderful. I'm going to enjoy this thing for sure. Thanks again. You guys can get the link down the comment section. It'll be down there if you guys want to check it out. It is. I will get a small commission on it if you guys get it. Greatly appreciated for my family and I. Otherwise, I just wanted to show you guys something that we got that we will be using a lot.